Hey guys, welcome back to Demi Trading, where you come for the news, stay for the commentary, and destroy that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's get to today's financial YouTube Spear recap. Today is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021. We're going to start off with Kevin. He posted 3 videos today, which is actually super low for his average. But pretty much 2 of his 3 videos had a lot of information in it. The first one was a big chance just in $3.5 trillion stimulus bill. It was pretty much saying that Joe Manchin is literally retaliating at this point the $3.5 trillion stimulus bill. He does not want to go forward with it at all. He's starting off by saying that the tax cuts can be reversed while the infrastructure change can't be, at least not easily. So whether or not in the next term Joe is still as president, or if the Republicans take a hold of it, the tax cuts can be reversed, meaning that while the tax cuts were supposed to fund the infrastructure change, they can change the tax cuts, meaning that now the infrastructure does not have a way to be paid for. So that's a problem. He also says that the tax increases can make it harder for small businesses to compete with companies like Amazon. Also, this affects our global competitiveness, meaning that companies might opt out of the United States and go to a different country for just tax purposes. Also, so that's the end of that video. Let's get into Lucid. He pretty much talks about how they finally came out with the car. Customers finally got a chance to test drive them, and so far it says that everybody is positive about the whole Lucid car. So what I did find out is that Lucid starts at $77,000, while Tesla only starts at $35,000. So we're looking at like $42,000 more for a simple, plain Lucid car, right? The only thing that I can say is a little bit better is that you do get 3 years of complimentary charging, which should balance out that $42,000 somehow, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't cover all of it. So that means that it's not as affordable, so I do not think that it's going to come out as much as Tesla, because Tesla is affordable and common people can buy it, versus, let's say, someone trying to buy Lucid needs a lot of money for it. So I don't know how that's going to balance out, but you do need a luxury car versus a regular car. So I guess Lucid could be the luxury version of Tesla, but good with the fact that it finally came out with the car. People are test driving it. Hopefully people will start getting it by 2022. Then we got Mr. Graham Stephan coming out with 2 videos. First one is Insider Trading Alert. Easy money. Now in this video he pretty much says that different people have posted their trades. Jim Cramer is one of them, but he has not beaten the market. People in Congress have beaten the S&P 500, but only slightly. Also financial analysts, while they do beat the S&P 500 by a good amount, it would be hard to time the trades, because their analysis comes out after their trades. And on top of that, the amount that you would pay to receive the analysis is more than what you would be gaining from these trades. Then you have Motley Fool. He says that it's good in the short term. It's not great in a bull market. Also, I want to add a disclaimer that this was actually Graham's sponsor in this video, so I don't want to be like, he says that it's kind of good. Because, I don't know, I don't think Graham would be that type of person that would boast about something just because it's a sponsor. So, I'm going to leave it at that. I do believe that Graham has integrity there, and he wouldn't do something like that. But just in case, I did want to add that disclaimer. And then he ends out with Michael Burry, which if you don't know him, he's the one that shorted the 2008 crash. So he knew that it was going to happen beforehand, but that seems like it's the only time that he's been right ever since. Besides the time that he said that Tesla was kind of going to go down, that it was going to crash, but in reality it kind of just went down and now it's back up. So, it depends. But pretty much he has not been right since 2008. Kind of sucks. And then we have a fun vlog, family vlog thing from Graham Stephan, eating the most expensive steak in Las Vegas. Now, so the actual video starts out with the Atomic Saloon, which is in the Las Vegas Strip. That is not where he eats the most expensive steak. He goes to a different restaurant, literally where they put a statue of a cow, give you the certificate of the cow, like the birth certificate of said cow, and the meat is raw. And like has like gold foils, like eatable gold foils, edible gold foils. So, I don't know. I know that eating meat raw is kind of a delicacy, but I am not big on that. Raw fish, sushi, any day. But I don't know about raw meat. I guess comment down below if you've ever eaten raw meat. Let me know. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Nobody else has actually posted. But again, if you want me to start adding other people into this summary / recap, definitely do that in the comments below. I always want to hear from you guys. Also, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit that bell notification, even though it sometimes and sometimes doesn't work. So, let's get to clicking those things. I will see you tomorrow with more information.